Welcome back to NJS Minds, the interview series where you get to meet some of the faces behind NJS Law and you get to learn about their perspectives, their challenges and their contributions as we continue to grow as a firm. As you know, my name is Nicole and I'm joined here today by Justine Sutton, who is one of the directors here at NJS Law. She is also one of the solicitors and the head of litigation. Thank you for joining us today.
Hi, Nicole.
So you're a director here at NJS Law. You've got over 20 years of experience in this sector. What inspired you to start your journey to become a solicitor?
Well, it isn't something that I originally wanted to do. I originally wanted to do a degree in history.
Okay.
And when looking through university applications, I stumbled across law as a subject and started to look at the type of things that they would study, and it caught my eye. And then did the degree, realised I wanted to continue it further, and you had to have a choice really whether it was a solicitor or barrister, and solicitor felt like the obvious route for me, so then I went to do the LPC.
Okay, and as head of litigation, what would you say your primary tasks and your kind of primary objectives and focuses are day to day?
I sort of, as a supervisor general in the office, I probably link up all the departments to a certain extent. So the main focus, the main function really of the cases running smoothly is the case management system.
Yeah.
So I link up probably the fee earning staff with the IT department, and in terms of ensuring that the case management system is running accurately in terms of the content, the processes and compliance. I think the IT department probably hate me because I'm IT useless, but they bear with me.
I'm sure they do. How do you oversee and manage the litigation team to make sure that the cases run smoothly, they meet their targets, they've got successful outcomes?
I try and be as approachable as I can, so that hopefully if there are problems, they bring them out rather than anything being buried and getting worse. Try and motivate people in terms of targets, successes. As a firm, we do try and celebrate everyone's successes to try and encourage the less experienced staff to learn from the more experienced staff.
Can you share any significant or memorable cases that you've seen as head of litigation throughout your years?
I think for me, rather than the actual particular individual cases, for me, it's that the rewards come with the ones where you get the liability denials and the defendants make it clear that they're not going to have any offers and they intend to run it. And then probably unexpectedly, you get an offer which you didn't expect, and you can give good news to the client who equally isn't expecting that offer, and then you can move on to settle the case for them.
So what advice would you give to young litigators out there who would like to pursue a career within the legal sector, or if they would like to go on to manage their own teams within a firm?
I think to bear in mind that attention to detail is key.
Yeah.
You can't even examine everything closely to make sure that you fully understand it. You can't really take shortcuts.
No, you can't.
Be prepared to work hard and be prepared to take yourself out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Because that's how you'll learn and that's how you'll progress.
Yeah.
And seize opportunities as they come along and run with them.
I definitely agree with that one. Thank you for joining us today, much appreciated.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed the episode and thank you for listening. If you do have any questions or you have any topic suggestions that you'd like us to discuss, please feel free to reach out to us either by our social media or our website page.